Hello, in front of me I've got THRUSTMASTER eSwap. In this video I'll show you how to test for stick drift. To test your controller for stick drift, let's go to Thrustmapper app and next go to Home. Enter mini sticks and now press Y on the controller. Now you can test for stick drift. If the stick drift occurs, the line should work without ingerence. Same for the second thumbstick. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.